What's features outstanding? 4 Wycnly Smart Sweeping Robot, Vacuum and Mop, 2-in-1 rechargeable cleaning machine, multi-filtration system ideal for pet hair, hard floor. We will introduce the features and brief details. What's features including? To make a decision before buy order. Intelligent cleaning. This smart sweeping robot is designed for efficient and effortless home cleaning. It features intelligent technology that eliminates the need for manual operations, making cleaning as simpler pressing a button. Solves various types of dirt. With its powerful suction, this mini vacuum cleaner can easily handle various types of dirt, including hair, paper scraps, and stains encountered in daily life. Multi-filtration system. Equipped with a multi-filtration system, this robot provides deep cleaning, ensuring that your home is clean and salubrious. Low-volume cleaning. Despite its powerful suction, this robot operates quietly, providing you with a peaceful home life without disturbing your daily routine. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to get instant notifications for all future uploads.